Hey guys, we received this active toilet bowl cleaner for test and try. So these are the small blocks or the tablets that you can put in the flush box, and then it can just come on its own for the toilet whenever you flush. So this comes in this packed stuff. Let me just open it. So you can see there is a each separate tablet, and it's a set, so individually packed. So this is good that it will not get the moisture and things and will not ruin. So you can just open this each tablet and just put it in the flush. So with the every flush you will get this and clean up the bowl. So here is a blue color tablet, is nice solid tablet. So you can just put it in this flush tank, give it some time, and once you flush it will just come and clean up the bowl. So it's a nice toilet bowl cleaner tablets that you can just put it in your bowl.